Hey guys, and welcome back again to my channel and to another video. So today I wanted to show you my latest project, this gathering place sign, and I used adhesive vinyl to do the lettering on this project. So first I just designed it in a program called Inkscape. And if you guys are interested, I will leave a description in the box below where you can go on my website and download a free PNG of this project if you want to do it yourself. So after I designed it, I just uploaded it into Design Space, and that is a Cricut program. And then from there, I just printed it out using my Cricut Maker. And I'm using a 12-inch by 24-inch cutting mat, and also I'm using the Cricut Premium Vinyl in the color white to do this project. And I'm just rolling out a sheet that's about 12 inches by 24 inches because that's going to be about the size of this project. Now I'm just removing any extra pieces of vinyl that are actually not going to be on my sign. And this is the clear peel and stick contact paper that I'm using to transfer all of my letters. I'm using this piece of smooth plywood, and it is 12 inches by 25 inches. And these colors are just a burgundy and a black, and I'm going to mix them together just to get the exact color that I want. Now I'm just going to remove the backing from my vinyl, and then I'll just place it on the board where I want it to go. And that is the finished sign, so I hope you enjoyed watching this. Again, I will leave a description in the box below where you can find this same design if you would like to download it and use it yourself. If you like this video, I hope you'll subscribe to my channel and click the bell for notifications so you'll be notified anytime I post a new video. So until next time, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys later.